Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
In Claude Code, context isn't free. Every bit of information you provide has a cost that shows up directly in your conversation window. Understanding this context budget is essential for maintaining a high-performing AI assistant. Here, we can see that we have the / command context available, which visualize current context usage as a colored grid. So let's go ahead and type it out over here and then press enter. So here you can see it says marinating, and then we have these legends. So the model that we are using is Claude Sonnet, and the system prompt basically takes around 1.4% of the available tokens. So 2.8k tokens will be going over there. Then system tools takes around 15.6k tokens, and MCP tools 293 tokens. So here we have these two MCP tools, ID, get diagnostics, and execute code. So each one takes n number of tokens. Like over here it has 111, and the execute code takes around 182 tokens. Then for skills we have 5 tokens. Messages, it takes around 8 tokens. Free space is close to 136k. And then we have the auto compact buffer, 45k tokens. So in short, the context command includes system prompts, enable tools, your own messages, and large inputs such as those generated by tools, MCP, or some others that you might install down the line. So typing this command / context gives you your available budget at any time. This provides a detailed breakdown of your system and tool overhead, the tokens used by your messages so far, and the remaining free space in your window. So now if we have to define the word token, what exactly is a token? Think of it as chunks of text. A single token is essentially just a few characters, such as the word IDE itself. Even an empty session with a 200,000 token model starts with an immediate overhead of about 17,000 just to set up the conversation. So here, when I say 17,000, you can see that system prompt and system tools, these combined together comes around 17,000 tokens approximately. Adding MCP tools and custom agents further consumes your window. Using Claude Code is a constant trade-off. While more context can lead to better solutions, it also causes you to hit rate limits faster and may eventually force the conversation to compress, leading to a loss of valuable knowledge from the history. To manage your budget effectively, follow these 3 guidelines. Prefer precise context by selecting only what you need first. Then batch expensive operations by running a tool which allows you to do that. For example, RepoMix is one such tool which can be used to batch expensive operations, and then you can check your context often to ensure your conversation doesn't start compressing. While there's no single silver bullet for context management, mastering these basics will keep your Claude Code sessions efficient and cost-effective. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.